So how to hide your online status on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. So in today's video I will guide you on how you can hide your online on Facebook. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you actually open the Facebook application, you have to understand that Facebook comes from Messenger, right? So basically you don't have the default chat page on Facebook. When you tap on the chat page, it will obviously take you to the Messenger. So if you're talking about you want to hide your online on Facebook, basically it means that you have to hide your online status of your Messenger account, because obviously you'll not be able to message on Facebook. You have to message on Messenger with the Facebook application. So over here you can see I'm on my Messenger app. Then what you need to do is tap on the three lines icon from the top left hand side of the screen. Then you have to tap on the gear icon, which is right over here. It's also known as a settings icon. Once you're on this specific page, you can see active status. Just tap on it and then just make sure to turn this thing off. When it's actually basically turned off, you will not be able to go ahead and then see other people's active status, but they will also not be able to see yours. So depending upon now whether you're on Facebook or Messenger, no one else is going to be able to view your online status. This is how you can hide your online on Facebook. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.